I'm in Disney. Well, technically I'm 5 minutes away from Disney in an Airbnb, which is incredible. I'll tell you more on that later. But I'm here for the next couple of days. I get to check out Avengers Campus. I get to go back to Disneyland Paris. I'm so excited. It is going to be incredible, and I'm going to eat so many delicious French Parisian snacks. Well, gluten-free ones, of course, and I can't wait. It's going to be incredible. I'm here with Mark. I'm here with my best friend Kieran, who is celebrating his 30th birthday, and his partner Esty. It is going to be so good. And let me tell you, this place that I'm staying in is unreal. I would argue it's better than all of the Disneyland Paris hotels. It's unreal, and it has a very special surprise, which I can't wait to show you because it's literally unbelievable. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to take a look at how we got here. Let's go to the travel day.
Houston, if you're ready, we'll maneuver. Reaching out.
See the gluten-free option.
Right, there is not one sausage sandwich.
No. Do they not have them fine there?
It smells good though.
So it smells like a sausage muffin. They do. Oh, they do croissants.
Yeah, it's not sausage, is it? Right, it's not sausage.
You do need a sausage. That's what the people want.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, I better give people what they...
That's going to be the new travel day thing. You just have a sausage.
I'm literally happy for that trend.
Let's do duty-free first, because we'll probably get something from Pret.
Are you joking? I want my sausage.
It's a sticker. Why?
At the low, low price of £3.59.
Why?
Told you we shouldn't have given up hope.
It's only £7.
Yeah. But when you want a sausage roll, and also the fans want, right? The fans want me to have a sausage roll.
The fans?
The sausage fans. Bon appetit.
There is no place and no moment in history where I could stand and say, arithmetic begins here, now.
go. Paris, Disneyland Paris, yeah, that looks.
Wow.
Success!
They are going to be lost.
We made it! You're in Disney! I can see the first Disneyland Paris sign up there.
Which way? That way?
I need to put my hood up. It is raining. Pretty heavily. I can see the sun. Right, I'm gonna put my hood up quickly. We just got caught in a massive rainstorm. We are drenched, like head to toe drenched.
I'm not too bad.
And now it's stopped. So we literally caught it at the wrong time. But we are heading to Disney Village before we can check into the Airbnb because we've got a bit of time to kill. The sun has finally come out and it is beautiful.
It is.
And we found this guy. What's his name?
Which guy?
This guy
That's
behind
you.
us.
That's you.
No, this guy.
That's you. That's me.
This guy.
That's me.
I just can't see the sun
No,
is
you
in my
can't.
eyes.
This is sick.
We just got to the Airbnb and this is absolutely unreal. We've literally just walked in through the door and it is a Marvel themed Airbnb. Oh my God, look. This is amazing. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Look at this. And the pièce de résistance, we have Iron Man in the apartment. Can you believe this? Look at that. Oh my God. Look how cool this is. The door is automatic. Look at the kitchen. Oh my God. This is insane. This is genuinely bonkers. We've got an espresso machine. Oh my God, yes. Look.
I feel like they've genuinely undersold it on the listing.
Look! The pièce de résistance. It lights up and everything. We have Iron Man in the apartment. This is genuinely insane.
We have multiple toilets. There's a toilet in here.
And this was super affordable as well. This worked out, I think, about £100 per person for the whole stay.
Oh, okay. So there's no toilet in the bathroom. There's the toilet here. This is
Look. Look at this. Hello.
this is better than it looks on the listing.
This is amazing. Like, I would rather stay here than the hotel we were just in.
This is going to be better than the hotels.
This is amazing. This is the coolest Airbnb I've ever seen.
All smart switches.
This is actually unbelievable.
Oh no, this was that.
This is amazing. Oh my god. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Bonjour. We are on the hunt for a Sephora. We don't have Sephora in the UK, and it's one of my favourite shops of all time, obviously. And we're almost there. Oh, see it.
The store you've just been waiting for. This is not actually better than other shops.
Hello.
Spleen hurts.
It's the right colour, but I don't know if it's the right consistency. So many more things. The minis, that's what makes it gets me, even though they're still really expensive, they're small. So I want them. We have just left Auchan and we have bought so much food. I found gluten-free gnocchi, which is very exciting. So that's the plan for dinner tonight, and I can't wait because, to be honest, I'm knackered. The plan was to go to Disney Village tonight, but I actually think, to be honest, we're probably just gonna have dinner and have a night in. Also, it helps that the Airbnb is so nice. So I think that's what we're gonna do tonight.
This is where we had a crepe that one time.
It is.
And there's like a little game shop somewhere down here.
Back in 2020.
And yeah, I'm sure I was going to buy like a Boba Fett helmet or something stupid. It's down. It smells like fish.
It does smell like fish. I think it's because we're next to the supermarket, and there's probably a fish stand right there. What are you having for dinner?
Well, I've got a choice between a fromage or jamon pizza,
Ham-on.
or a calzone, which I believe also has fromage or jambon.
I love how you've come to France and you're having 2 Italian potential dinners.
Yeah, but also the other one is mac and cheese. So
3 potential, and I'm having gnocchi as well.
All because gluten face here can't eat real food.
I'm sorry.
So I got to sit right next to Iron Man and eat food. Ooh.
It's the gaming shop. Oh my god.
Which means there is the crepe place.
Yeah, we had some subpar crepes there.
Listen, they did what they could.
They were all right.
They did exactly what they could.
Now that we've got the excitement out of the way, let me give you a little bit more of a thorough room tour. And well, I say room tour, it's a whole apartment. This place is literally unreal. We do have our stuff everywhere, but I'm going to show you around. So there is one main bedroom, which Kieran is having because it's his birthday. That's got a double bed in it. And I'm currently in a room which has got 2 single beds because, you know, we don't mind. We don't mind. It's only for a couple of nights. And it has just cool tech everywhere. Everything is like touch. It's amazing. And of course, there's loads of Avengers stuff everywhere. Loads of Marvel things everywhere, super cool. Also, one thing that is amazing, and this probably won't be picked up very well on the camera, is there are glow in the dark figures on all of the lights so that in the middle of the night you can still see where you're going, which is really cool. Moving through, we have the bathroom, which is, I would say the one weird thing about this place is there is a main bathroom. However, it doesn't have a toilet. It only has a shower and a sink. And then in the toilet, there's just a toilet, no sink. A little bit weird, bit of a quirk, but personally, it's still such an amazing place that, frankly, it doesn't really matter. We then have the main hallway. with mirrors everywhere. We've got some cool pictures. We've got the Hulk over here. We have Thor over here. And then we have Spider-Man over here. And then we, of course, have Iron Man, which is insane. It's like a full life-size statue. It's unreal. How is this a thing? I really don't know. It's so freaking cool. The whole apartment is amazing. And then we have mirrors up here, more mirrors. We have fancy chairs. We have a full kitchen as well. We've got a TV, we've got a sofa, which turns into a sofa bed. Not that we're really gonna need it. We have, is this a palm tree?
Yeah.
We have a palm tree, tropical. A true Parisian palm tree taken from outside. And then we have the kitchen.
With full, cooking crew.
With full
Professional chefs.
professional,
chefs.
yeah, it does come with in-house chefs.
See, I didn't stretch for chefs. I said cooking crew. See, we're making ovens and turps and gnocchi.
This is high effort, alright?
Yeah, we're making pizza without a tray underneath
Alright,
it.
you're there, boy.
Don't tell the owner of the Airbnb. And gnocchi, which I'm very, very excited about. Which, yeah, the gnocchi doesn't need a tray. But the best thing of all is, this doesn't come with the apartment, but Port Salut, this stuff is unreal. I've not had it since I was a kid. Like, they sell it in the UK, but not without, it's without the, I want to say shell, but it's not a shell. It's like the hard orangeness around the outside. It's amazing. What's the word for that? I can't remember what the word is. Tell me down below. I don't know. But this place is unreal. It's so nice. And I feel like we've got the biggest steal in the whole wide world. It's so good. It's so good. Yeah, it's just amazing. And it's super close to Val D'Europe, which is the shopping center, which we went to just before this. And I also picked up in the shopping center some stitches, which I got from Primark for €6.50. And they are so cute. They are so cute. Let's try them on. I haven't tried them on yet. They're so cute. They're so cute. So we were planning on going out to Disney Village tonight and making the most of it. But to be honest with you, it's now, I think, about 9 o'clock and we are knackered. So I think we're gonna have an evening in enjoying this Airbnb with some food and some TV, which sounds just like the best evening. And then we're gonna hit the parks tomorrow. We're doing one day in each park. So make sure you subscribe for that because that will be coming super soon as well. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I would really, really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm know that you guys enjoyed the video and it shows it to more people. So thank you so much. And if you want to see more of me, I am live on Twitch 5 days a week. That's what I do as a job. So feel free to come and find me on there if you want to see me live and chat to me. As well as that, I'm also on Twitter and Instagram and TikTok and all the things. I'll post all the links down below. But thank you so much for watching and I hope you've enjoyed this travel day. I can't wait for tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Bye.